Okay, I will speak English for this video, and for the trick how to add, I can say everyone how to add the ASL in the cPanel. Okay, that's why if you want to add the ASL in your website without the plugin, so you need to have the, I can say, the public key and secret key to add your in your cPanel. So in this way, I use one website that you install for free, and you need to review. We have 3 months. When we use this, we can use only 3 months. So after 3 months, you have to update and you have to do it again. So, but that it is so easy for you. Just follow my step. That's why the first one I need to go to the first step first, because we need to do something that follows the page. I go to my website that I want to add the security. Okay, and I take the link, and then I go to pass in it for that, um, and then I put generate. Okay, that's why I see that's what I see our website. Okay, we choose this one, and for this one we use for to put in the cPanel to verify the domain and HTTP servers, and that this one is for the auto generate download, but it's not used for the cPanel to verify. And this one for the use to, I can say, the DNS, but we use this one, it's better. And you just put and verify that. It's just take a few minutes, and then you have to follow that. The first one, you have to download 2 files as below. You can just click file 1 and yeah, number 2, and then 3 steps. Next step, you have to create a folders at the domain name as well. Now if it doesn't exist, you have to use the window to menu to add this the end. So you need to add the file, I can say while nodes, and then inside the while node you have to create one more, is this one, and then you can pass, 2 files that you just upload inside this file. I can say challenge, and then you just click to this link to verify, and then that's okay for this. That's okay. Okay, just follow me by this. Before we have to go to as file manager, you have to ensure you can go to file managers and to create. The first one, you need to check that yours is has not. Oh, sorry, because it's a bit slow because I use I find the folder that is so quite earth for made a bit open, and it's so far from my office, so a bit slow that you can use this one. Okay, I will just to the public, and then inside you have to follow this one. You need to follow the domain name as well. No, this is or not. Yeah, you can create it in this for file. We can just say folder points well no, and then you just create it. Yeah, after you create it, you can try to find it. Exactly, it's when we use in the cPanel. This is don't show you because uh, it's not a file, but when you search it still have, right? Well, no, right? Yeah, well, no. It has in your cpanel. It has. I could search. It has. Yeah, it has. It has. So exactly, but if you don't find it, if you cannot find it, one way that you can go to find it, you can just to log into your website. Yeah, I log into my website and use file manager to find it. Edit it easy. It I used to log in. That's to log in. That's wait. I will show you how to verify that a bit slow and cost also Wi-Fi. And it is the first video that I speak English, so is I will try the best to explain, but my English is not so wow, so good for to speaking. Is you don't understand in that some point, or you have the concern about the anything, you can just comment down on my video. I will to try to make the video to explain you most. And you use one. They can say I use one plugin. We can say the file manager. Oh yeah, file manager. And this file can help you to find it. It's easier and great to know that. Sorry for the default. Yeah, exactly. I just look file manager. Yeah. Whatever tool this one you can use, I use the advanced file manager. It is easy for me to I can edit or delete or upload or rename the copy. It's more than this, and I activate it and it will appear over there. Wait a few minutes. Okay, too long. Okay, all the is all the cost. Yeah, everyone has the concern about the WordPress anything. You can just drop your command, your question, and I will to make a video to tell you uh, about the website security updates, upload. I will to make the more for the upload theme. And one more thing, I will to how to use the free WordPress without page. How to install with WordPress without pays. Yeah, free. Actually, if you're in a hosting, you have used the local hosting, you need to pay for the WordPress. If you didn't pay, you didn't get it. Okay. Oh, so oh my god, I used that uh, along this too too long for response for that. Okay, I got it. Just take the file manager. Where? Okay, it is the first time, so we need to convert all the file to here, so it's a bit slow. Yeah, like you can see, it's I already created a create node for example. Yeah, that's one. We just already convert and this one. Okay, in this side you just create the folder. I can say create the folder first. um, the file create the folder. No, yeah, I just create the folder and I just copy the name inside here, right here, to pass the name that is correctly. It's better. I use to rename. Yes, and then that's okay. And inside this you just to, yeah, you have to upload two file that we just download from the first time. Yeah, yeah, two file that we just download inside here. That's okay. After we do that, we just go to this one inside, and then you have to verify that it is correct or not. You just click it. Yeah, work it correctly. Yes, it's done. So after it done, it means to verify. So after it verify, you just click here to download all, yeah, the public keys and the secret keys and bunch key to pass in the cPanel. We need to take time to verify that it's because of the Wi-Fi, and then I take it because in my office there's too many people, so minority cannot be the without that. Where it just verify and they will provide you, and then you can pass, and then I can go to that. And what I just show you first, the place that we will to pass the, I can say the pass the secret key and see the yeah, inside so TLS, and then this one is working already. Yeah, certificate, private keys, yeah, and CA, but it is what we need to uh, why you have to put your email and password there. We need to send you, right, to create an account, and we need to send you once your yeah, as our security certificate will be expire. So inside that, and just go to install management and slide attributes, and then you can do that. Just a few minutes wait. Yeah, it is okay already installed because I use the piece, but whatever you can do that. Select your domain and subdomain name, whatever, and then you can pass. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you have to copy all. To make sure you copy all, and then you pass it. Yeah, and then that is what you have to do, and it's a great easy. That is a easy, right? Private key. You have to put it on, and we will make your website have a security good. Yeah, and I just click install it, and that's okay for everything. And your website will be everything in your website is okay, but I have already installed it, so I don't need to auto uh, that's why. And you can see the website, my website, how the security. Yeah, but it's just like that. See, now you can see my website right now. Did it have the security or not? Yeah, That's okay. That's correct. Now my website is okay. Good. So good. That's all for this video. So I hope everyone liked this, and please subscribe and comment if you want to know more about how to create a website or resolve all the problem with the WordPress website. So okay, thank you.